Welcome to Fab Exclusive. Today we shall see about YTB Pals. Please click the link in the description to register. This website provides free subscribers. Channel security is not compromised and real quality subscribers are given. If the content is good, your channel keeps attracting subscribers. The dashboard contains 1. Active channels available in total. 2. Active plans available. 3. Total subscribers in the account. We will proceed to channels in which you need to add your YouTube channel and press go so that the channel is added with the following details. 1. Serial no. 2. Thumbnail. 3. Channel ID. 4. Channel name. 5. Description. 6. Number of subscribers. 7. Actions retain or remove. Next, you need to add your channel videos one by one. The following details are added. 1. Serial no. 2. Thumbnail. 3. ID. 4. Title of the video. 5. Duration. 6. Eligible for views plan. 7. Views. 8. Actions retain to remove. Next is plans. 1. Active plans, all running plans. 2. Active subscribers, daily total. 3. Inactive plans, draft plans. 4. Inactive subscribers. 5. Expired plans. The 5th tab is Earn, which helps you to earn points by subscribing to other videos. Last one is the membership options. From free options to paid services. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share and hit the bell icon to watch part 5 of how to get 1,000 subscribers in YouTube for free.